Good evening, everybody. I know everyone is stunned. I am doing a second video today after watching my Chicago Bears stink up the joint again. So it's back to the grind, back to work. So I wanted to do this second video today because I think it's really, really important. And it's something that is missing in the trading community. Okay, so let me get some stuff out of the way. My name is JeffCasmer. If this is the first video that you've seen, I've been making money online for 24 years. I've been a trader for the past 6 years. We are a team going on 7 years with amazing success stories and almost 6,000 members. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, hit the bell. Probably this side. I can never remember. And if you need information on trying to join us, our trading community, all that's in below. You can reach me on Facebook right here. Boom. My beautiful daughter, my son, all that good stuff. So that's where you need to reach me. So today's video is what most people, a high percentage, don't do outside of our trading community, and even sometimes inside of our trading community. Trading, when you learn any type of strategy, it's important, and mistakes that folks make are pretty easy to spot, right? Um, if you, number one is you should, obviously go through the training, whether that is through us, anybody else, go through the training so you could learn the strategy, okay? And then obviously you want to practice on a demo account, okay? So learn the strategy, practice on demo, be consistent. What people don't do, and even in our community, is when somebody comes and says, "Oh, I did everything you told me to do and I'm not successful." And then we ask the question to them, "Did you do a trading journal?" No. Why? Pretty obvious, okay? How do you know how you're doing if you're not journaling your trades? Right? You can obviously look and say, "Oh, I won my last two trades. I lost two before then. I won three. I won one, lost two," whatever the case may be. But if you journal your trades and then stop trading and then go through your journal to kind of see the progress that you're making, wins and losses, your percent gain or loss, right, on a demo account, not a live account. And then you can make adjustments on what you see. What we do in our trading community is submit it to a leader. We have four main leaders, and there's a couple other people, including myself, that obviously get journals submitted to, and I spend time looking at the journal. And usually I can spot any potential issues within a couple trades. I don't actually need to necessarily look at all 25 trades to say, "You're not doing this, you're not doing that." Okay? Often the mistakes in a trading journal, even when you do one, are you're deviating from your roles, you're deviating from your risk management, you're deviating from your strategy, right? Because sometimes people will just, in my last video, I talked about the road, right? This is the road. There's a side road. There's a side road. In the States, we call it frontage road, where you're along the highway of the main road. They call it frontage road. But if you get off that road, and that could be, "Oh, I wanted to try this part of the strategy, or I want to try this one, or I want to try this." No. You stick to one strategy. You stick to the rules. You stick to your trading plan, which everybody should have. And then you execute 25 trades on that journal and journal them all. Okay? And you want to know, okay, well, what does a trading journal look like, Jeff? For members that aren't part of the team. Okay? For members that are part of the team and you've not submitted a journal, you need to submit a journal. It is so important to success. We have so many comments in our community. Oh my God, you could see everything so clearly, as well as a leader saying, "You're not doing this, this, and this." And then if you do another 25 trade journal and take the advice that a leader gives you on those 3 points, you see your win ratio, boom, go through the roof. Okay? So I'm going to show you a journal that was submitted to me last week. Okay? And Hold on. As soon as I pull it up, oh, let's go up here. Boom. Okay, now, full disclosure, there are a couple columns missing. And a couple of columns missing are by design because I'm in a public area and the company that we associate doesn't allow us to put 2% loss, 1%, 8%. So I've had that column taken out, okay? And this is what the basics of a trading journal are. And if you join our trading community, or you're in our trading community, you will get in our training access to setting up a trading journal, okay? So obviously there's 25 trades in this journal. Here are the dates, okay? So if I was critiquing this just by number of trades, I would say pretty good, right? I think there's a couple days here, 5 trades here, right? That's a lot for one day. Here's another day, 4 or 5 trades, right? You want a couple trades here, a couple trades there on obviously, trading days, right? Not necessarily on Saturday or Sunday when there's crypto, right? And we always recommend forex pairs, forex pairs, forex pairs, forex pairs, okay? And then we get the links so that you can pull up the trading chart. I'm not going to pull them up. And then the after, right? And it kind of shows you how the trade progressed. Very important. I mean, it's just so important. And then the result, okay? So this is 25 trades. And I'm going to just count the wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 and 7. Okay. So he won 8 more trades than he lost. And 2 at break even. All right. And as you can see over here, here are the pairs. Okay. And then the extra categories that you didn't see was obviously win percentage and account growth, right? We just can't show that. So obviously this was a successful trading journal, okay? And I don't have this screenshot in front of me. In fact, I should have set it up prior to me doing the journal. Full disclosure on this particular customer. So this was a customer that was with us and for about a few months. With us for a few months, then left for a little bit. And anybody that knows me, I hate when somebody quits, okay? It's an inevitable part of things because there's only 2 ways you fail with this, okay? You quit or you don't do what we lay out to do, okay? You deviate from that on frontage road. And then he came back, my urging for sure. And then this is his second journal. And he sent me a message after the second journal, and I said, "You're close to being ready, dude. You're ready." And he's going to do one more trade block. And he said, "It makes a huge difference in the fact that I journaled my trades." Exactly. So, if you are seeing this video, and you are not part of our trading team, or you're part of something else, or you're trading on your own, or you're just Googling trade forex on YouTube, blowing accounts, anything, then you want to reach me, okay? Because we have a path. And part of it's your mindset, because what folks think is, oh my God, I just want to get the strategy. I want to trade live. I want to make money. And what ends up happening is it costs you more money. Because you don't journal your trades, you're not using proper risk management. And full disclosure, he was using proper risk management on all these trades, right? Because let me show you this one more time. Here's what sometimes people make the mistake. And he didn't in this case, but I just want to use it as an example. So he loses the first couple trades, and then wins 2 or 3, and he's feeling good. He's feeling good, feeling really good. And then maybe he risked more here. Right? He won 3 in a row. No. Risk the same. Less than 2%. 2% max. Never, never deviate. Break even, loss. Now maybe say, here's on the reverse case. Maybe he lost 3 trades. Okay? Or maybe he lost these first two trades, and then he risked more, and then he lost a third one. Okay? No. Never. Always risk the same. And I've seen it countless times. Countless times. Countless times. Can I say that one more time to emphasize? I've seen it countless times where people are risking more because their mindset, and I'm going to do a video on, on a resource that's a must for traders, okay? You must be consistent on your risk management. It should never, ever change. Ever, never. Consistent. Proper risk management, one strategy, trading plan, follow the rules of the strategy, do not deviate. Period. If there's not a pair there, don't take the trade, okay? And full disclosure, on this particular, we have the impulse strategy. It's a scanner that identifies trends. If you want to look at other videos on my YouTube, you can see what this amazing tool does, right? Because most people, is it going to trend up or is it going to trend down? Well, we have a scanner that takes a lot of that guesswork out of it, all right? Even a lot of analysis out of it, right? Guesswork, analysis, whatever adjective you want to use, okay? So he's on his way. And the number of comments that I get when people, I'm not getting this, why am I not getting this? Where's your journal? No journal. And I'm going to talk about another person on my team and the journey in another video, okay? And hopefully he sees this and subscribes, okay? Or watches it. But getting back to the crucial point here, no matter where you're at as far as trading, right? If you're with this team, not with our team, trading on your own, trading with something, you must journal. That's what's special about our group, okay? I take journals, and sometimes I'll recommend people that I brought on board, go to one of the 4 leaders, give them your journal, right? Because sometimes they need that different voice. So this person's on his way to being a successful trader, right? You only fail if one of two things happen. You quit, or you don't follow what we lay out. It's that simple, okay? So no matter where you're at in trading, with us, not with us, on your own, thinking about it, you must journal your trades. You must journal your trades. It's such a good way to kind of look at it and look at the historical data on your trades. It's night and day. And this person is a perfect example because he said, I didn't journal my trades the first time, right? Because you're just saying win, loss, win, 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 loss, 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 win, win. But what are you learning? What are you learning about you as a trader? Those are the most important things, okay? Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down. Please subscribe. I think the bell's down here, so I think I got it right. If you're interested in potentially joining our team, reach me, Facebook, all that good stuff. And other than that, have a wonderful Sunday evening. Take care.